Hello and welcome to Newtown campus. My name is Steve Cass and I'm the college manager. This is going to be a short little video just to show you around the campus how we've got it set up in the current situation with all the one-way signs and hand sanitizers and all the bits and bobs we've got in place to keep you safe. You're going to find these all over the site. This is the first one as you come in, so this is actually outside the building, but we're going to put them at regular intervals throughout the corridors. And what we want you to do is, as you're going along, take some, get it on you, don't worry if it splashes down there, get it on your hands, give yourself good going over, okay? And keep that topped up during the day, along with the usual washing your hands and keeping yourself clean. Right, so now we are in the building. This is reception. This is the first big area you'll come into. And on the floor, you'll see lots of these, which is your keep your distance stickers. You've probably seen them out and about elsewhere. And basically they're telling you to keep 2 meters apart. So remember, when you're in here, try and keep to social distancing, okay? You'll see also there's bands on the floor, there's tape on the floor, and every 2 meters we've marked out where you need to be, all right? Clear direction marks either on the floor or on the wall, red arrows on the wall, and then you'll make your way. If you want to go to reception, you'll come this way, and you'll meet the lovely June, and there she is, most likely. Give us a wave, June. There we are. And so any problems you've got to do with transport, well, whatever it is, usually you'll come to reception first or you'll go upstairs to student services. Right, so now we're in the corridors. This is a bit where you go to your classrooms. And again, you'll see that everything is marked out. It's a one-way system right around the college. And what we ask you to do is follow the arrows, okay? So now we're in the canteen. We're in the canteen area where you'll come for a snack. We haven't quite worked out how much catering we can provide so far, but we're looking most likely at some sort of grab and go service. And again, you're coming over there, clear lines around here, arrows that direct you down here, on the floor, 2 meters. So when you're queuing with your friends, remember, keep that distance. Now, this is usually one of the communal areas that you stay in and talk to your friends in between lessons and when you had a bit of free time, when you're not in the library studying, obviously. Now, what we're going to ask you to do is not do that for the duration of the pandemic, just to keep you safe. So rather than come down here and chat with your mates, we'd ask you to kind of, once you've finished your lesson, if you can go off site, please do, or do not sort of congregate in large groups chatting away, because obviously that adds to the risk. Okay, right, so here we are in the student zone. This is on the first floor of the building, and as you can see, it's all been mapped out in the same way. We've got a one-way system taking you around. Now, this is where you come if you want to get any advice on transport through there, and money and anything like that, or any advice you have about any aspect of your course. You can come to student services, and you can see a wellbeing officer as well in that room there. It's all about finding your way around. So you won't need to register when you come into college, because you'll be registered when you go into your classes. And there is a informational video on Moodle that you can find, which your tutors will direct you to. Right, so here we are back in reception. So that's a whistle-stop tour of what to do when you get here. Any problems whatsoever, I'm always around. You'll find me in my office, it's just upstairs, or any one of the student services team will help you out. Remember, your safety is our #1 priority here, so that's why we've got all this stuff in place. And just if you follow those simple guidelines, we're absolutely confident you'll have a really good time with us. Okay, so we look forward to seeing you in September. It's an exciting new start of the year. It's a very unusual year, but I'm sure if we just follow these simple set of rules, we'll all get through it comfortably. Okay, so see you soon.